Welcome to my YouTube channel. Infinity Rankers na adom butaram noksari. Channel asibu growth to buda mayam gi mateng ijari mayam support to biramu. Channel asibu subscribe to biramu, like nambiramu, comment pibiramu. Mya asoiba aran ba yauragasu mayam na chumthok piu suggestion pibiramu. Mathangi video singta asoiba sing semthok nabagi khudong chaba pibiu haijari. Ngasi aina tawdise singarang koina past present perfect continuous book tense book tawgredana interrogative tense da interrogative sentence sem interrogative conjugation da ado hauji aina mu tawdisina past ki past indefinite se ado moment kai koiba simple past hair ga khangna have not ro ado da magi niyom je kamai engage yengase yo ham da tawdise kai no past indefinite have not ro indefinite tense hayo boko aduga siloi thabam thopo loi thagani ko sida indai niyom sina kai oideba ai did have kib natro did ko plus interrogative negative natro did plus subject le ni tana plus not happen ebisada aduga plus b1 hapaga question mark happen ebisada suma hapakada yare ko adi ahambada iraji ko ahambada iraji wanda did I not eat hairane the question mark adi mathangda did we not eat hairane adi second na kai no did you not eat hairane question mark ka hobe yati ko did chamanana again did you not eat hairane mahakuni ko third person singular number su chamanana did he not eat hairane di mathangda did habni ko did do haile did they not eat ibida soirdi hairo ko aina ibidi mamang igredana mathangda tawdise kaino past continuous tense natro continuous tense past continuous tense ta idese niyom je kaino was natraga where have natro plus subject plus not happen eba plus b1 plus ing hapani aduga question mark hapani eba kaigino question mark hapise negative interrogative oibagi neba aduga not hapise ne kaino interrogative negative oibagi ko adu taragadi next ta sidadi kaino was I dadi was haidna was I not subject happe ko not it dadi kaino b1 di kaino it and just ladi eating ko question mark hapani adu mathangda where hair kana we dadi we ko not eating hairane yan dai ko sa adu mathangda to the where you not eating hairane kani ko adu mathangda su chamanana where you not eating hairane adu 3 di he dadi haibam letro he dadi was haira kaneba ko was he not eating hairane kani ko mathangda kaino where they not eating sumai satteba kani ko adai mathangda mung lai dei kaino past perfect natro perfect ta chin question mark hape ho kauni ko perfect tense atra sida mu kai in niyom ineba sa niyom indai je hero head natraga head with head plus subject plus not happening plus v1 plus ing ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯜꯂꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯈꯪꯉꯤꯀꯣ ꯁꯣꯔꯤ v3 ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯗꯕ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯁ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ ꯃꯥꯔꯛ ꯍꯥꯞꯀꯅꯦꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯜ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ ꯐꯥꯔꯁꯇ ꯏꯔꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯐꯥꯔꯁꯇ ꯀꯩ ꯏꯔꯅꯤ had I not ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯅꯤ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ v3 ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯣ had I not ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯔꯦ ꯋꯤꯇꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ ꯃꯥꯔꯛ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯅꯤ had we not written ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯅꯤꯌꯣꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯔꯝꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨꯀꯣ ꯆꯨꯝꯃꯤꯀꯣ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯇꯤ ꯁꯕꯖꯦꯛ ꯍꯦꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯗ ꯁꯕꯖꯦꯛ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯁ ꯅꯣꯠ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯁ v3 ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯕ ꯄꯥꯔꯐꯦꯛꯇꯗꯤ v3 ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯧꯕꯀꯣ 3ꯗ ꯌꯨꯗꯁꯨ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯔꯦ ꯍꯦꯗ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯅꯤ ꯍꯦꯗ ꯌꯨ ꯅꯣꯠ written ꯀꯣ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯏꯗꯣꯏꯕ had you not eaten ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ ꯃꯥꯔꯛꯇꯤ ꯀꯥꯎꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦꯀꯣ ꯊꯥꯔꯠ ꯄꯔꯁꯟ ꯁꯤꯡꯒꯨꯂꯔ ꯅꯝꯕꯔꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯔꯅꯤ ꯊꯥꯔꯠ ꯄꯔꯁꯟ ꯁꯤꯡꯒꯨꯂꯔ ꯅꯝꯕꯔꯗ had ꯀꯩꯅꯣ he not eaten ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯀꯣ they had ꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯅ had they not eaten ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ ꯃꯥꯔꯛ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯐꯧꯗꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯄꯥꯔꯐꯦꯛ ꯀꯟꯇꯤꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯕ past perfect continuous tense ꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ continuous ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯚꯥꯔꯕꯇꯨꯗ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯅꯤ ing ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯛꯑꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯏꯔꯣ head ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ head ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ subject plus not ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯅꯤꯗꯅ plus been ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯛꯑꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯗ plus v1 plus ing ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯏꯕ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ ꯃꯥꯔꯛ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ ꯃꯥꯔꯛ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯤꯁꯦ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯣꯒꯦꯇꯤꯚ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯦꯟꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯐꯧꯗꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯇꯥꯏꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯦꯛꯁꯇ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯦꯗꯅ ꯍꯥꯜꯂꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯍꯦꯗ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ ꯁꯕꯖꯦꯛꯇꯤ ꯑꯥꯏ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯅꯣꯠ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯣꯕ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯕꯤꯟ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ v1ꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯏꯠ ꯂꯩꯔꯅꯤ ing ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯜꯂꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯣ ing ꯏꯇꯤꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ ꯃꯥꯔꯛ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯅꯦ ꯈꯪꯉꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ had we not been eating ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯈꯪꯉꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ 2ꯗ had ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯅꯤ you not been eating ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏ ꯏꯒꯅꯦꯕ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ ꯃꯥꯔꯛ ꯑꯒꯦꯟ ꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ had you not been eating ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯀꯅꯦꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯁꯦ 3ꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯊꯥꯔꯠ ꯄꯔꯁꯟ ꯁꯤꯡꯒꯨꯂꯔ ꯅꯝꯕꯔꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯍꯣꯡꯉꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯦꯟꯗꯕꯨ ꯍꯣꯡꯈꯤꯕꯩ ꯋꯥꯅꯤ ꯄꯥꯁꯇ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯌꯨꯆꯔꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯍꯣꯡꯉꯔꯣꯏꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ had he not been eating ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯑꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯁꯦ had they not been eating ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯑꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯐꯧꯗꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯔꯦ ꯀꯟꯖꯨꯒꯦꯁꯟꯗ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚ ꯚꯣꯏꯁꯀꯤꯗꯨꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚ ꯚꯣꯏꯁꯀꯤ ꯀꯟꯖꯨꯒꯦꯁꯟꯗ ꯑꯦꯐꯔꯃꯦꯇꯤꯚ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯅꯦꯒꯦꯇꯤꯚ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯣꯒꯦꯇꯤꯚ ꯅꯦꯒꯦꯇꯤꯚꯅꯦꯕ ꯅꯦꯒꯦꯇꯤꯚ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯣꯒꯦꯇꯤꯚ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯅꯦꯒꯦꯇꯤꯚ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯣꯒꯦꯇꯤꯚ ꯇꯧꯔꯤ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯅꯦꯒꯦꯇꯤꯚ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯣꯒꯦꯇꯤꯚꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯄꯦꯁꯤꯚ ꯀꯟꯖꯨꯒꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯈꯤꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯄꯦꯁꯤꯚ ꯀꯟꯖꯨꯒꯦꯁꯟ ꯂꯣꯏꯔ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯇꯥꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯁꯕꯖꯦꯛ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯕꯖꯦꯛꯀ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯀꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯂꯩꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯔꯤꯚꯤꯖꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯣꯕꯖꯦꯛ ꯀꯣ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛ ꯑꯣꯕꯖꯦꯛ ꯏꯟꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛ ꯑꯣꯕꯖꯦꯛꯀ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯣ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯦꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯚꯣꯏꯁ ꯆꯦꯟꯖ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯅꯦꯕ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯌꯨꯖꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯇꯦꯟꯁ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯁꯤꯔꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯚꯣꯏꯁ ꯇꯥꯛꯁꯤꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯣꯔꯦꯟ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨ ꯌꯧꯔꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯑꯒꯦ passive voice tꯧꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤꯀꯣ passive voice ꯒꯤ conjugation ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯈꯤꯗ ꯋꯥꯠꯂꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯜꯂꯁꯦꯕ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯇꯥꯛꯑꯁꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯒꯤꯗꯣ ꯈꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯑꯞꯂꯣꯗ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯗꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯔꯕ ꯑꯩ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯀꯩ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯀꯩ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯕ ꯐ꯭ꯌꯨꯆꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯁꯦ ꯃꯊꯪ